We are discussing 9-star numbers, otherwise known as Ming Kwa numbers, and we are working individually with all the numbers from the universal Magic Lo Shu Square. This is the numerology in the Chinese Astrology that I do with you in a private reading for Bazi. And the numerology gets used often in the chart. Not only is it your birth star number, your month number, and your tendency number, there are 3, but we're intertwining that into your progressions and your destiny luck pillar to find out what house these numbers are in. So they all fly different ways and connect in different ways. And today we're breaking down the 5, the center of the Lo Shu Square. What does that mean? The center is a 5. It's connected to the element of earth. It's going to look like this symbol when we're doing the I Ching. Remember that? The 3 yin lines from last time for the 2. In this instance, this is going to be the symbol that we use in Chinese. So center, yong, if I'm pronouncing that properly. Again, we are always converting from English to Chinese or Chinese to English. Take it all with a grain of salt. This is pivotal. You are the center Brady Bunch square. Everything kind of revolves around you. Lots of changeability. You can look up in the corner and see so-and-so. You can look down in the corner and see so-and-so. Remember the beginning of the Brady Bunch show? This is what that reminds me of. So if I was born a 5 Earth and I wanted to know what Yin Yang was connected to that, because 5 happens to be in the center and it is both the Yin and the Yang. For a female, we go to the 8 Earth mountain and pick up the Yang. If you were a 5 Earth female, I would go over here and pick up the Yang if I needed the Yin Yang conversion. If you were a 5 center earth male, I come up here and I take the yin earth. So in this instance, it's both, but when we need that extra push as to which one we want, the male gets converted to the yin, the female gets converted to the yang in the center 5 earth. If this was my birth star, I have a lot of changeability in my life. I'm used to a lot of movement. See that center square? It can do many things. So you might have moved often. You might have had changing of careers often. Maybe it's within your relationships. But the center is a pivotal time. So when we are in the number 5, even for annual numerology, right? So everything has an annual. It could be personal. Let's say for the year, we're in a 5 Earth. We're in a pivotal time. In your chart, if I came across this in your progressions, if you were in the house of 5, right? So there's 2 ways to look at this. Then you would be in a pivotal time. What I tell people in this instance is you are in the process of tearing everything you know down and rebuilding a new foundation. That's pivotal. You're at that pivotal time when you're really making those strong changes. Out with the old, in with the new. That's what we're always talking about anyway, right? Energetically, energy never dies. It simply transforms. So we're always out with the old, in with the new. This is a pivotal time, the center. You get to decide how to rebuild your life when you're in this house. So those that are born in the year of 5 Earth, they have a lot of changeability, a lot of things going around. They have to take charge of the energy and find the rhythm that works for them. Otherwise, they will get flown about during this center Brady Bunch square when so much is going on, right? The message is be the roots so strong in the earth that it doesn't matter how your branches sway. You are centered and balanced. That's the rhythm 5 Earth people need to find. Thanks for being with me for this Ming Kwa number of 5.